Hey there, science enthusiasts! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to take a journey into the fascinating world of science with our top 5 incredible science experiments that you can do right in the comfort of your own home. Get ready to unleash your inner scientist, and let's dive right in. Kicking off our list at number 5 is the classic Mentos and Diet Coke experiment. All you need are a few Mentos candies and a bottle of Diet Coke. Drop the Mentos into the bottle and watch in amazement as a geyser of soda erupts skyward. It's a simple yet explosive demonstration of the principles of nucleation and gas release. At number 4, we have the homemade lava lamp experiment. With just a few household ingredients like vegetable oil, water, food coloring, and an effervescent tablet, you can create your very own mesmerizing lava lamp. Watch as the colorful blobs dance and swirl, showcasing the fascinating interaction between oil and water. Coming in at number 3 is the DIY slime experiment. Slime is not only fun to play with, but also a great way to learn about polymers and non-Newtonian fluids. Mix together some glue, borax, and water, and voila! You've got yourself a squishy, stretchy batch of slime that's sure to provide hours of entertainment. At number 2, we have the homemade volcano experiment. Create your very own volcanic eruption using baking soda, vinegar, dish soap, and food coloring. Build a volcano out of clay or Play-Doh, pour in the ingredients, and watch as it erupts with bubbly, fizzy lava. It's a fantastic way to learn about chemical reactions and geological phenomena. And finally, taking the top spot on our list is the DIY hovercraft experiment. Using just a balloon, a CD, and a bottle cap, you can create a mini hovercraft that glides smoothly across any smooth surface. It's a fun way to explore the principles of air pressure and friction while having a blast. And there you have it, folks, our top 5 incredible science experiments that you can easily do at home. Which one are you most excited to try? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more fun and educational content. Until next time.